Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear DSS student, today I'll try to explain to you chapter 7. Chapter 7, which is talking about the text mining, text analytics, and sentiment analysis. I'll try to focus only on the important topics and issues in this chapter for your interest. First of all, let us understand what is meant by text mining. It is the discovery by computer of a new or previously unknown information by automatically extracting information from different written resources. What's that mean? That means the computer, we are trying to make the computer able or capable to discover the information that we written in different formats, like, or can be get them from different resources like websites, books, emails, reviews, articles, and so on. For that, we can simply say that the text mining referred to as text data mining, which is thoroughly almost equivalent to text analytics, which is the process of deriving high quality information from text. We can have so many texts, a huge amount of text. So we can derive the high quality information from these texts. High quality information is typically derived through the devising of patterns and the trend through means such as statistical pattern learning. Typical text mining tasks include text categorization, text clustering, concepts entity extraction, production of granular taxonomies, sentiments analysis, document summarization, and entity relation modeling. For example, learning relations between named entities. Now, what are the text mining concepts? Around 85 to 90% of all corporate organization or companies' data is in some kind of unstructured form, like the text. Those unstructured corporate data is doubling in size every 18 months. Tapping into these information sources is not an option, but a need to stay competitive. So what is text mining? So text mining is a semi-automated process. So this can be considered as the definition of the text mining. It is a semi-automated process of extracting. Extracting means getting the knowledge, having the knowledge from unstructured data sources. The AKA text data mining or knowledge discovery in textual database. We call it AKA. AKA is the knowledge discovery in textual databases. Okay. Also, data mining versus text mining. Both seek for novel and useful patterns. So there is a similarity between the data mining and text mining, because both of them are seeking for what we call simply having a useful pattern or novel pattern of data. Both are semi-automated processes, but the difference is in the nature of the data. As you know, when we talk about structured and unstructured, when we say structured data, that means it can be structured through building databases by programming. But the unstructured data, for example, data written by Word document or PDF file or text extractors, extracts, extracts, XML files, HTML file, and so on. So there is a difference between the structured and the unstructured. Structured, that means we can structure it, we can build databases on these data mining, on this data. But when we have data came from Word document or PDF file or XML file, this is considered to be unstructured data because we need to convert it into a semi-automated process data. Text mining first impose structure to the data. Then mine the structured data. So first we need to structure those data, means having a unified building or structure for the data, and after that we can do the necessary mining. The benefits of text mining are obvious, especially in text-rich data environment. So text mining is important, especially when you have a huge amount of data. For example, law, court orders, academic research, like research articles. We might have a huge number of articles, of research articles that we need to structure, that we need to make it structured and converted into a mined text data. Finance, for example, the quarterly reports in medicine, the discharge summaries, in biology, in technology, in marketing, and else. So these examples actually are a rich data environment. Electronic communication record, also considered like email, considered to be a rich text data environment. Spam filtering, email prioritization and categorization, automatic responses generation. These are examples on the what we call the electronic communication records. Coming to text analytics, when we try to identify what is text analytics, we can simply say is the automated process of translating large volumes of unstructured, be careful, unstructured text into quantitative data to uncover insights, trend, and patterns. Combined with data visualization tools, this technique enables companies to understand the story behind the number and this big numbers and make better decisions. So text analytics is a decision support tool for the companies. Text mining, text analysis, and text analytics are often used interchangeably with the end goal of analyzing unstructured text to obtain insight. However, while text mining or text analysis provide insight of the qualitative nature, text analytics aggregate these results and turn them into something that can be quantified and visualized through charts and reports. This is what we call the text analytics. As you can see, we have different sources for data. A huge number of data came from computer science, statistics, management science, artificial intelligence, by using machine learning, for example, the machine learning, logistics, natural language processing. So we have information retrieval, we have information extracting, we have data mining, web mining, and finally text mining. So text mining considered to be the final stage in mining the data, which are coming in different shapes, in order to be structured. And this is what we call the text analytics and text mining. This chart shows the text mining and text analytic chart. I will stop up to here now, and we'll continue in the next lecture, inshallah, to continue talking about the sentiments analysis of the text mining. Thank you very much and good luck.